No bake, chocolate, peanut butter, oatmeal cookies. No oven, no fuss, simple ingredients, big flavor. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and let's sweeten things up. Okay, in a medium saucepan, you're going to add half a cup of butter or 1 stick, a half a cup of milk, and get this to a medium heat. Let's melt the butter into the milk. Okay, once you've got the butter melted, let's add in a half a cup of cocoa powder and 1.5 cups of sugar. And then let's stir this in and get it all combined and melted. Okay, once we've got it all combined, let's just keep stirring it. You're going to constantly stir it until it comes to a rolling boil. That means there's going to be bubbles all on the top. Okay, now that we've got a rolling boil, we're going to stir constantly still and wait. We're going to let it boil for 2 minutes. All right, we've had our 2 minutes of boiling. We're going to turn off the heat and we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla and a half a cup of peanut butter. Stir this till fully incorporated. Now that we've got the peanut butter all mixed in and everything is looking nice and creamy, we're going to add in 3 cups of, you can use old-fashioned oats or you can use the quick oats. I'm using the old-fashioned today, but you can use either. This was 3 cups. Stir till combined. We stirred in the oats. Now we're going to take, you can take a spoon. I'm just taking a medium-sized ice cream scoop. We're going to put it on wax paper or parchment paper or any non-stick surface that you have. Now that we've got them all on the parchment paper, the last part is to just kind of flatten them to however thickness you want. All right, we have them all flattened out. Now we're just going to let them sit for about 1 hour to 2 hours just to set. We want them to set enough to where we can pick them up without being too soft and fall apart. The no bakes have set up. They're still a little bit warm, but they're set. They're not flimsy. So let's get David in here to try it. David, come here. He's not a big fan of cocoa powder, especially this much of it in one dessert. So he's gonna try it. He's
I've
gonna be a
never liked
trooper.
these cookies. My mom made them.
Yes.
Trina makes them. Her mom made them. I don't like cocoa.
I'll give you a little.
So if I make a bad face, it's not the quality of the cookie. It's just my preference in never eating these again. It's exactly what it's supposed to be.
Chocolatey. It's very chocolatey.
Cocoa-y. Yeah. I just don't like the bitterness of cocoa. So I've never been a fan of it.
Oats in there.
Oh yeah, I love oatmeal cookies, but
our kids like them. They're good cookies. It's an easy dessert to make for the holidays. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.